हेलो एवरीवन। आइए आज देखते हैं कि अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड डाटा को असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सेट कैसे करें। एज वी हैव दिस लिस्ट विद अस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will select it, then we will click on sort and filter in the home tab. sort and filter पे हमने क्लिक किया। Here is a custom sort option. Custom sort पे जैसे ही क्लिक करेंगे हम तो this type of dialog box will appear. Here we will select sort by. आपको किसके अकॉर्डिंग करनी है सॉर्टिंग? सॉर्टिंग हमें करनी है रोल नंबर वाइज। रोल नंबर वाइज करें, वैल्यूज स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट और लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट। We need smallest to largest. As we will click on OK, we will get this list sorted one. So 1 2 3 4 same as up to 35 we will get this list sorted. But now we come to know that ki different classes are there, so these roll numbers are from different classes. So I want to sort in class and section wise. So again we will click on sort and filter, custom sort option. Now I want to do it class and section wise. So it is values A to Z or Z to A. I want it should be Z to A. Okay, means it will set the list according to descending order, not in ascending order, in descending order. So this is the way how we can do in spreadsheet software, means in Microsoft Excel, how we can do the sorting of anything. We can do this according to name wise also. Once again we will do it according to name wise. Again in the editing group of the home tab we will click on the sort option, custom sort. Okay, then in custom sort we will choose here name. So as we will choose name here, so we will click A to Z or Z to A. I want now A to Z, means ascending order में चाहिए. Okay, so see Amanpreet Kaur, Ashdeep Singh, Beyant Kaur, so different names are there. Classes they have mixed because we want the list according to alphabetically order in ascending order. So this is the way how we can set our unorganized data in spreadsheet properly. And now we will see the same option in Microsoft Word also. So Microsoft Word, see we have written here fruits name. So I want to set it in alphabetically order, either in ascending order or in descending order. Same on the home tab in paragraph group we have this option sort. Click over there on the sort. This type of dialog box will appear where you want to sort. I want to sort on this paragraph which we have selected on these sentences. On text I want to sort. Automatically it is choose that text only. So I want to click ascending order. पहले हम ascending order करके देखते हैं. Okay. So see that A, B, C, G, L, M, N, O, M, P, Q, R, like this it will be sorted A to Z alphabetically. If I want to sort it now in descending order, I will select descending, same way in that dialog box, then press OK. So see W to A it has sorted the same list. So इसी तरह से अब हम इन numbers को भी करके देख लेते हैं. Select the number series, click on A to Z, sort option. Here automatically it is selected, the type is number. I want to select it in ascending order. Okay. So सबसे smallest value ऊपर आ गई and सबसे biggest value जो है bottom पे आ गई. तो again we will do this on number descending order. Okay. So now सबसे highest value जो है वो top पे है and सबसे smallest value जो है वो bottom पे है. So like this way we can use the sort option in Word as well as in spreadsheet software. So hope अब आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी सॉर्टिंग करने में, चाहे वो एक्सेल है या फिर वो डॉक्यूमेंट है वर्ड के. थैंक यू.